Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can protect ranges in Google Sheets. So in this example here, I've got a template that's ready to go for a user to test out, but let's say I don't want them accidentally clicking in and replacing values in a formula and wrecking my template. So one thing I can do, just like in Excel, is protect the ranges that I don't want someone entering any values in, just to protect the integrity of the spreadsheet. And so to do that, what I can do is, let's say I just want a user to be able to enter the values in these three cells that are highlighted in yellow. So what I can do is select the values that I don't want them to be modifying, and under the data section here, click on protect sheets and ranges. And you can put a name, a description for this, but you don't need to. You can just click set permissions. And it's going to give you the option to show a warning when editing this range, or just to restrict who can edit this range, which is what I'm going to select and select that to only you. Hit done. And now if I wanted to, I could still adjust or add these ranges here. Add a sheet and range. Done. And it doesn't really matter that it overlaps. And then again, do the same for this. All right. So basically you're selecting all the ranges that you don't want someone to edit. So whatever's left over is what they can edit. And so now what I'm going to do is swap over to another user to show you how this will work. Okay, so here I've switched over to another user that is not the owner of the spreadsheet. So now if I try to make edits onto here, I get this message saying you're trying to edit a protected cell or object. Contact the spreadsheet owner. Here I can make changes to these cells because these ones were not changed. If I go to data, protect sheets and ranges, I can see which ones are view only, right? So I can see which ones have been set as protected. Another thing I can do is click on view, show protected ranges. So if I click on this, it'll actually show me everything that's been crossed out. So you'll notice there's some ranges here that I didn't include because there's nothing there, so no reason to really protect that, as well as these cells in here. So everything that's not grayed out, that tells me that I can change these values and my template will update. So that's an easy way to sort of have a quick snapshot of what ranges are available to you. So again, you can go through view, show, protected ranges, or you can also go through data and protected sheets and ranges if you wanted to see what was blocked off specifically. And then, if you're making changes to the spreadsheet, this is your spreadsheet, you can easily adjust these or delete these as necessary. But once you've got that set up, you have a template that you can send off to a user, knowing that they can't make changes to your formulas here to mess up your calculations. So that's a quick snapshot of how to protect ranges in Google Sheets.